If your Honda CR-V won't start and your zero-turn mower is also acting dead, you are likely facing a shared battery issue. Over 80% of no-start issues are caused by simple battery neglect or connection failures rather than major engine damage. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to get your equipment running again. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal first and inspecting for visible corrosion or loose cables. For your Honda CR-V, focus on the battery state, the starter solenoid, or a failing ignition switch. On your mower, check the safety interlocks first, as these often prevent the starter from engaging even with a good battery. Most simple fixes involve cleaning or tightening, but internal starter or engine issues usually require professional help. As shown here, the vast majority of these issues are resolved by replacing or servicing the battery. Use a multimeter to verify voltage, and for the CR-V, run an OBD-I scan to see if the computer is reporting a fault. Keep a basic toolkit with a multimeter and wire brush handy to handle these common maintenance tasks yourself. Remember that a well-maintained battery is the cheapest insurance against being stranded with either your car or your mower. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook, and let us know in the comments if these tips got you back to work.